12th one, which is f of x is equal to x raised to 10 minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1 and x square if x is greater than 1. These are the two values. So wherever you have to check which are the points, c less than 1, c equal to 1 and c greater than 1. Okay, 1 when c is less than 1, is 2 when c is equal to 1 and case 3 when c is greater than 1. Okay. First case, f of c. F of c is where you have to take less than 1 have to fit condition, or your function here will be x raised to 10 minus 1 and you have to replace your c with, sorry, x with c. So you get c raised to 10 minus 1. Give your f of c. Now limit extends to c, f of x will be what? Limit extends to c. Again, f of x ki jagah you have to write x raised to 10 minus 1.
Raised to 10 minus 1.
It with c.
C raised to 10 minus.
We are getting limit extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. That is, f is continuous for all those values which are less than 1. Okay, one conclusion. Now for c equal to 1, you have to check left, right and at the point. At the point will be f of 1. What will be f of 1? Which value you will take? This one. That is 1 raised to 10 minus 1. Replace your x with 1. You will get 1 raised to, which is again 1 minus 1, 0. Now you have to check for LHL, which is limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Limit extends to 1 minus लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब function में जाएंगे. 1 minus मतलब less than 1. So you'll get x raised to 10 minus 1. Now you replace your x with 1. So again you'll get 1 minus 1, which is 0. Now RHL, we give you limit extends to 1 plus f of x, which is equal to limit extends to 1. What is that f of x? You have to take x square.
X square.
X square. अब डालो उसमें. This 1 square.
1 आएगा.
1 आएगा. Equal है? नहीं है. So what you will say? The function is
Not continuous.
not continuous at x equal to 1. Okay. F of 1 equal to LHL but not equal to RHL. Therefore, the function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Third case, you will check f of c. F of c के लिए greater than 1 देखना है. Greater than 1 में आएगा आपको c square. अब उसी का लिमिट अगर देखेंगे, you will get limit, sorry, x limit extends to c. F of x will be replaced with x square and x square. After that, we will replace it with c. So both are equal means you will see that f of c is equal to limit extends to c. F of x, that is, f is continuous for all those values which are greater than 1. What is your last conclusion then? From the 3, you can say that the function is continuous everywhere except at x equal to 1. क्या लिखोगे? Hence, the function is continuous, or you can say the only point of discontinuity. क्योंकि question में क्या है? Find all the points of discontinuity. You can say that the only point of discontinuity is x equal to 1. Okay. The only point of discontinuity is at x equal to 1. So only x equal to 1 आपको discontinuity point दे रहा है, बाकी सब continuous. Got the thing?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर continuous पूछ रहे हैं तो आप बोलोगे कि it is continuous everywhere except at x equal to 1. Discontinuity पूछ रहे हैं तो उसका importance देना है. That means the point of discontinuity is at x equal to 1. Remaining everywhere it is continuous. Okay. 13th. of x is, what they are asking is the function a continuous function. Continuous function में भी जब continuous function बोलते हैं, it is continuous everywhere का meaning आता है. तो आप सिर्फ at x equal to 1 नहीं, less than 1, greater than 1 and x equal to 1. Okay, you have to check all the three. How you will know? You ask no one day. So या तो find the all points of discontinuity पूछते हैं तो सब देखना पड़ता है आपको, less than, greater than and at the point. Then is it a continuous function पूछेंगे, that means that is not mentioning any point. Because in your first question, second question, they were mentioning the point that x equal to 0 में check करो, 1 में check करो, like that. But if they are not mentioning any point, you have to check for all the cases. Okay, here you have x plus 5 when x is less than or equal to 1 and x minus 5 when x is greater than. So find whether the function is continuous or not means, is it continuous everywhere? Again, you have to break it into three. First case is your c less than 1. Second case, c equal to 1. And third case,
C greater than 1.
greater than 1. Here you will have f of c as, which one you will have? This function. So you can write c plus 5. Limit x tends to c, f of x is, again, limit x tends to c, f of x की जगह x plus 5. Replace your x with c, you get c plus 5. Therefore, we are getting f of c is equal to limit x tends to c of x. Hence, the function is continuous for all values which are less than 1. Now, at the point, for that you have to check for f of 1, left and right. F of 1 is again equal to sign. So you'll have 1 plus 5. Replace your x with 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now, when you have a left hand limit, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 1. Again, f of x which you will have x plus 5 less than 1. X plus 5 and replace x with 1. So you get 1 plus 5 which is again 6. Now right hand limit, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 greater than 1, x minus 5. Again replace x with 1, 1 minus 5 which is minus 4, not 6. That means you have your f of 1 equal to LHL but not equal to RHL. That is, f is not continuous at equal to 1. Okay, not continuous. Now third case is greater than 1. For greater than 1, f of c, you will be using this function x minus 5. X minus 5 will give you what? C minus 5. And limit x tends to c, f of x will give you limit x tends to c, f of x is x minus 5. Replacing x with c, you get c minus 5. Therefore, f of c equal to limit x tends to c, f of x. That is, f is continuous for all x which are greater than 1. So, what is your last conclusion from these three cases? The function is having only the point of discontinuity at x equal to 1. The only point of discontinuity is x equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, the only point of discontinuity is at x. Clear hai? Much is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for 14th question, discuss the continuity. Again, they are saying the same thing. Discuss the continuity means you have to check for all the things. And you have three values for the function means how many cases you will have? How many cases? We'll have 5 cases. 5. First, you have to prove for any value which is in between 0 and 1. Here you have to actually check for 1 and 3. 1 और 3 में होगा जो discontinuity आएगा, बाकी सब कुछ एक ही जैसा होगा. ओके, सेम फंक्शन होगा. उसके ऊपर, बीच में और नीचे सब आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा, राइट? So this is 3 if 0 less than equal to x less than or equal to 1. 4 if 1 less than x less than 3, and 5 if 3 less than or equal to x less than equal to 10. Actually आपको जो चेक करना है वो है closed interval 0 to 10. 0 less than equal to है, that means closed 0 and till 10. उसके बीच में ब्रेकेजेस हैं 1 और 3 में. तो जो कंडीशंस होंगे ये 0 ये 10. This is 1 3 suppose. So 1 और 3 इन दोनों के बीच में चेक करना पड़ेगा. 1 में चेक करना है, 3 में चेक करना है, 1 और 3 के बीच में एंड 3 और 10 के बीच. ओके, इस तरफ और इस तरफ नहीं चाहिए. सो x लेस देन 0 एंड x ग्रेटर देन 10 की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी बिकॉज फंक्शन उतना ही डिफाइंड है. ठीक है, जब लेस देन जनरली बोलते हैं ना तब हमें वो प्रूव करना पड़ता है. व्हेन c x इज लेस देन 1 तब हमको c लेस देन 1 भी लिखना पड़ता है. हियर यू डोंट नीड दैट.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम हम 5 केसेस कब लेते हैं?
इसी में लेना है आपको.
मतलब क्वेश्चन में ऐसा क्या मेंशन किया होगा तो हम 5 केसेस
क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ डिस्कस द कंटिन्यूटी लिखा है, तब आपको करना है. और यहाँ पे था पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी, उसमें भी करना है. अगर आप उन्होंने ऐसे देकर कहा है is the function continuous at x equal to 1 and x equal to, अब check the continuity at x equal to 1 and x. जब पॉइंट देते हैं ना तब आपको सिर्फ उसका लेफ्ट राइट और एट द पॉइंट, लेफ्ट राइट और एट द पॉइंट लिखना पड़ता है. बट सिर्फ डिस्कस द कंटिन्यूटी या पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी कौन कौन सा है बोलते हैं तो सारे केसेस देखने पड़ते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या है, ये क्लोज्ड इंटरवल टाइप है तो इससे उस तरफ नहीं जाएगा, बट इसके बीच में सब हमको लेना है. यहाँ पे भी केसेस आएंगे आपको. क्या क्या आएगा? एक आएगा 0 और 1 के बीच में. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट केस विल बी एट द पॉइंट, दैट मींस c इक्वल टू 1 लेकर करना पड़ेगा. तो उसका लेफ्ट राइट और एट द पॉइंट इसमें आएगा इस केस में. ठीक है, फिर आएगा 1 और 3 के बीच
बिटवीन
में.
1 and 3.
1 और 3 के बीच में. तो ये केस और ये केस आपको सिर्फ एक ही फंक्शन देता है, इसीलिए ये दोनों हमेशा कंटिन्यूअस ही होगा. इस केस में है जो वैल्यू अलग अलग आ रहा है. देखो लेस देन और ग्रेटर देन इसमें देखना पड़ेगा, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट देखना पड़ेगा. सो एक लेफ्ट में आएगा आपको यहाँ 3, राइट में आएगा 4. दैट मींस
4.
this x equal to 1 will have a discontinuity there. Okay, now next case when you have case 4, इसमें आपको देखना पड़ेगा at c equal to 3. लेस देन 3 तक देख लिया, अब at the point c equal to 3 देखना है. And in this also you have 3 things. At the point, left, right. Here also you have 3 cases, left the point, left, right. And this will have a discontinuity there because values are different, no? Left and right में. यहाँ 3 and 4 आएगा और इसमें भी यहाँ 4 and 5 आएगा. So this will also have a discontinuity there. And their case 5 will be in between 3 and 10. हाँ, इतना केस आएगा. ठीक है, वो तब जब डिस्कस द कंटिन्यूटी बोलते हैं तब ये सारे दिखाने होते हैं. नहीं तो फिर वो मेंशन करेंगे x equal to 1 और x equal to 3 में चेक करो, तब सिर्फ वो पॉइंट्स देखने हैं. ये वाला ये 3 और ये 3 आएगा. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? So your case 1 starts here, which is you are taking a c which is in between 0 and 1. Here you can take 0 less than or equal to also because ये इसी में included है और डिफाइन नहीं किया है. 0 less than 0 कुछ और है नहीं, इसलिए इसमें इक्वल टू इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. लास्ट स्टेप में भी आप लेस देन और इक्वल टू 10 ले सकते हो बिकॉज 3 और 1 में हम दोनों देख रहे हैं, लेफ्ट एंड राइट देख रहे हैं ना. ठीक है, so for this we are not including 1 here because at 1 we are separately checking. So this is the first case. Here what all you will do, f of c देखोगे. f of c में इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? c is any number between 0 and 1. It can be 0 also because when it is 0 f of 0 is also 3. Understood? तो आपको यहाँ फंक्शन का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? f of c. What will be there? Everything is given as constant, so you will get only 3. है ना? 3 is given, so 3. c डिपेंड ही नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे. c जो भी हो आपको इन दोनों के बीच में जो भी सी लोगे आप उसको 3 डालो. ओके, एंड लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू सी f of x क्या होगा? Limit extends to c f of x is also including in this function and the function value is 3. Here also you will write limit extends to c 3, which is again 3. Therefore you can say that f of c is equal to limit extends to c f of x. That is, the function is continuous at, for all values which are lying between 0 and 1, including 0. या आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हो, for all x belongs to closed 0 1. ओके, क्योंकि ये क्लोज्ड किया गया है इसीलिए हम ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, नहीं तो हम कैसे लिखते हैं लेस देन 1 फॉर ऑल वैल्यूज व्हिच आर लेस देन 1 लिखते हैं, बट हियर इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, व्हाट इज योर सेकंड केस? Second case and fourth case are important because there only you will get that discontinuity. And the case is you are checking for c equal to 1. When it is c equal to 1, first you have to check for f of 1. F of 1 will be included in this one. Wherever it is equal to वो वाला value लेना है, so it is 3. Okay. Now what is LHL? Limit x tends to c minus, that is 1 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 1. What is 1 minus means? It is again less than 1, which is 3. We'll get 3. Now RHL is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. This limit x tends to 1.
4.
4. So see, you can see that f of 1 is equal to LHL, but it is not equal to RHL. You can see that function is not continuous at x equal to 1. One conclusion. Next, you have to check for value which is lying between 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
This 3 is values lying between 1 and 3. Sorry, 1 less than c less than. Here again f of c, whatever be the c, it is lying between 1 and 3. The function value will be 4 only. So c है नहीं है 4 ही आएगा. And limit extends to c, f of x will be again limit extends to c. Function का value भी वही है 4. We get it as 4. Therefore, f is continuous for all values where it is lying between 1 and 3. Again, you can write for x belongs to open 1, 3. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Clear? So here you are not including 1 and 3. In between values के लिए ये check. अब आपको 3 के लिए check करना है, which will be case 4. Case 4 is you are checking for c equal to 3. You get f of 3 as what will be that f of 3? Equal to देखना है आपको, ठीक है? Equal to sign यहाँ पे ऊपर वाले में था, यहाँ नीचे है. So 3 is 5. F of 3 is 5. Now LHL, when you see, you will have limit extends to c is 3 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 3. What will be f of x which you have to replace? C minus 3 minus means less than 3. So you have to replace it with 4. So LHL you are getting as 4. What about RHL? Limit extends to 3 plus f of x is equal to limit extends to 3.
5 ही आएगा.
5 आएगा. So ये दोनों equal है, but this is not equal. So you can see that f of 3 is equal to RHL but not equal to LHL. Therefore, the function is not continuous at x equal to 3. Okay, at x equal to 3 it is not. And last case is what? In between 3 and 10.
In between 3 and 10.
Including 10. 3 include नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 3 हमने separate कर दिया था. So case 5 will be you are taking c so that it is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 10. ठीक है? That is c belongs to open 3 closed 10. दोनों एक ही meaning है. Now what will be f of c accordingly? F of c मतलब 3 और 10 के बीच में है. The value will be 5. And if you are taking limit extends to c f of x, what you will get? Limit extends to c f of x is again 5, so you'll get 5. Therefore, f of c is equal to limit extends to c f of x. Hence the function is continuous for all those values which belong to open 3 closed 10. Okay. So total conclusion क्या होगा? What is the question? Discuss the continuity. Continuity check करना means wherever it is continuous that we have to say except the points कह सकते हो. ठीक है? तो continuity पूछा. पहले हमसे क्या पूछा था? Discontinuity पूछा था. यहाँ पे उन्होंने पूछा है what are the or discuss the points of continuity और continuity check करना है. So the conclusion will be the function is continuous. Therefore, the function is continuous. कहाँ कंटिन्यूस है? मैंने कहा था it is actually closed 0 to 10 था. The interval was from 0 to 10. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? कहाँ था? Closed 0 से start किया. In closed interval 0 to 1 तक. 1 में क्या डालोगे? Open या close? No, open. 1 में था क्या continuous? I don't remember. 3 और 4
मैम नहीं था.
तो open. हाँ? यूनियन मतलब 1 में नहीं है. फिर आप क्या लिख सकते हो? या फिर एंड करके भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. फिर आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो? 1 में नहीं है. फिर 1 से 3 तक था, है ना? 1 और 3 के बीच में था, बट वहां पे भी 3 में नहीं था. 3 में नॉट कंटिन्यूस है. सो यहाँ पे भी आपको ओपन इंटरवल डालना है. यूनियन अगेन यू आर चेकिंग फॉर 3 and 10 के बीच में. 3 10 के वहां क्लोज कर देना. अंडरस्टूड? इज दिस क्लियर? या ये आपको टफ लग रहा है तो आप ये लिख सकते हो द फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस एवरीवेयर इन द इंटरवल गिवन. इट इज कंटिन्यूअस एवरीवेयर इन द इंटरवल गिवन और इन द गिवन डोमेन एक्सेप्ट कहाँ पे? एट x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. ये भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, जो आपको इजी लगे. गॉट इट? Yes, if you are finding difficult, you can just write it is continuous everywhere except at x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. But यहाँ पे restricted interval है, तो आप लिखना everywhere in the domain given लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? The domain. जो डोमेन उन्होंने दिया है उसमें सब में वो continuous है, but कौन से पॉइंट में नहीं है? सिर्फ 1 और 3 में नहीं. Clear? या ये clear है? Yes, ma'am. Okay, both have the same meaning. Whatever is comfortable for you, you can use. Clear? कब cases use करने हैं? So when they are referring any point, you have to check at that point only. But if they are not mentioning anything, you have to check for all the places. Okay, domain में जो है उन सब में आपको check करना. Okay, we will stop here.